Hi, and welcome to the video tutorial on how to grow your own broccoli microgreens from home using our Seriously Green grow kits. Inside you'll find everything you need, including all your media. This is the media we use at the farm, your seed kit, and your whole container is actually biodegradable. Throw it in the recycling when you're done with it. The first step you want to do is press down soil and even it out. Next step you want to do is spread your seeds evenly in the seed pack. Now you want to take about half a cup of water and wet the surface over the microgreens. Try to ensure the surface is wet evenly so you get proper germination. Now put your lid on it, place it in the dark for 4 days, and come back when it's germinated. So after 4 days, this is what your grow kit should look like. Nice and humid, and you'll start to see some greens poking through the top. This specifically is wheatgrass, so it'll be different depending on your grow kit. This is when you want to remove the lid, place in a sunny location, water with about a quarter of a cup of water every day for 7 to 11 days. You want to rotate this about once a day. So after your broccoli grow kit has been in the light for 7 to 11 days without the lid, it should look a little something like this. Now you can enjoy your broccoli microgreens any day of the week, nice and fresh.